Hi, welcome to Applications in Chemical Engineering through MS Excel playlist. And today's screencast is to know how to convert your units in Excel swiftly. In previous video, like I had discussed how to convert units, like you just go to enter the formula convert and you enter your number, let's say 12, and you want to like here's a list and you have to select any one of those which you want to convert, and then you press comma and then any other unit in which you want to convert it. So like this, these are the converting factors, and this is a way better than doing it manually and error free. But uh, if you're having any problems or you find it quite lengthy, or you just don't like this way, here's another way how to convert your units with even more easy way. You just have to google and like search for Duometrix, and like I will show you what you have to type. Like you just have to type Duometrix, and then here it will, you go to its home page and you have to download Duometrix. Here it is, I have already downloaded it. Here is the archive file, so I'm just going to extract it here. So here it is. You just have to install the setup. It's quite easy. I have already installed it. So in Excel right now, uh, then when you have installed it, you just simply have to like enter any sort of unit, and here it is an option of unit converter, and it you see it has generalized it and even make more easy for like naming the branches of the field. So you just have to go to these options and select your category, like from one unit to another, and it's quite easy. If in any case this option is not appearing here, the reason actually behind is that it's actually an add-in. So you just have to go to options and then add-ins, and you have to manage Excel add-ins. Press OK, and you are here. You see you have to click or mark it, and after marking it, press any of this list. After unmarking it, do not just leave it. Press any of these options in the list and then press OK. Here you will see unit converter option, and you will find it way more easy than doing it manually or using the is equal to convert formula. Hope this video helps you. Thanks.